surprise, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam, here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For all of you who are new to my channel, hi, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for you who have returned, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Ooh. Today's video is going to be a Sephora versus Ipsy bag. Let's get started. Oh, woo, woo. This month's bag looks like this. It's like really squishy. So, if you guys are new to my channel, then you guys probably don't know that I do box versus box. So it's the Ipsy subscription box versus the Sephora Play box. They're both $10 a month and you get 4 to 5 beauty items. Some are deluxe samples and then some are full size. So let's get started and open up the boxes. In the Ipsy bag this month, it looks like this. It's actually really squishy. It kind of reminds me of like styrofoam, I think that's what it's called. All right. So it usually comes with a card. It says I will conquer, which I think that's really cute, and then you fill it out and it has a little spiel on the back. I usually keep these up over there. So anyways, the first thing in here that I see, ooh, I already have this, but I have the big size of this. This is the contour palette by City Color. Oh my god, how cool. I have the old packaging, which is in a cardboard box. This one is in actual plastic packaging. It comes with contour shade, a bronzer, and a highlighter. I already like it, so I know I'm gonna love this, but this is so cute for traveling. I actually picked up the full-size one at Generation Beauty, and I have been using it ever since, and I had it since like 2015, I think. So I've had it for a year or two, and I've had two backups that I've used, so I've used this multiple times. So the next thing that's in here is the Be Fine Food Skin Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almonds, and oats. Ooh, I've been looking for some really good cleansers and toners and stuff, so I'm excited to try this out. It's a little pull tab. It's okay, I didn't taste it. Ooh, it smells like soap. But I'm gonna try that out and see how I like that. I love trying out new skincare stuff, and Be Fine, I'm pretty sure I've tried a couple of other stuff from them, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Dirty Little Secret. This is an eyeshadow in bikini, I'm guessing, because it has it on the back. Yep, bikini. Ooh, that is pretty. That's a pretty shade. Very velvety. Ooh, my hands are hella ashy. Don't mind that, but look at how pretty that is. Girl, that is a really pretty copper shade. Next thing is a, ooh, it's by NYX. It's the NYX Lingerie. I actually don't have anything from this collection. This is their NYX Lingerie, and then it says lip. This is in the color Beauty Mark. How do I open this? I do want to swatch it because it looks really pretty. It looks like this. This is the shade. Ooh, very soft and creamy. It reminds me of the NYX Soft Matte. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. Ooh, I do like that shade. That is a really pretty like fall color. Last thing that's in here is a Ciate Fierce Flick eyeliner. Ooh, I love trying out new eyeliners. I have yet to find one that I really love aside from my Maybelline Line Stiletto. I still love that one. It is a liquid liner. Ooh, that's gonna be really pretty. I love that it glided on very well. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited for that one. That is it. That's the last thing that is in my bag. Okay, this bag was amazing. I liked everything that was in it. Ipsy, you are giving me so many good things. Okay, so we're gonna open the Sephora one. It comes in a big box instead of a bag. It comes like this. looks like that. Looks like this. How cute. It says 2018 Happy You Year. This year is going to be about self-love, taking care of myself and putting myself first. That is what this year is going to be about. And doing things that make me happy. Because sometimes you can be so focused on other people that you forget to take care of yourself. So always remember to take care of yourself, so you can, if you take care of yourself, that means that you can take care of other people. Got it? Tip. So the first thing that's in here is empty. I'm guessing it fell out. Yeah, it fell out. So this one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It came in a little thing like this. It is supposed to be a primer and moisturizer in one. It has 24-hour hydration, so I'm excited to try that out. That is a sample size. The next thing that's in here, ooh, okay. So this one is by Glam Glow. This is their Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I have never tried anything from Glam Glow and I've been wanting to, but it's expensive. It is hella expensive. Every time I go to Sephora, I'm just thinking, do I want to buy that? But I'm really excited to try this out. It's a little sample size. I feel like this whole bag is going to be little sample sizes. Next thing is, okay, this is a foil packet. I don't know how to say that. Briogeo? How do you say that? This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is good for like one use. Okay, Sephora. The next thing in here is the Clinique Prep Start Eye Cream. Ooh, look at how cute the little tubey is. That's cute. I do want to try it on my hands. Ooh. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm really excited because I love things that go, like, that help my under eye circles and also my dark circles, because girl, there are things living under there. The next thing in here is by Olay. I don't know how to say this word. But this is the Hydra Clay Detox Mask. Ooh, that's cool. I love the packaging. How do you say that, guys? How do you pronounce that? I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. And then the very last thing in here is by Lancome. Oh, it's a mascara. Okay. So it looks like this. It is their Sil Booster XL mascara base. So, oh, this is the top. It's white. Is it like one of those fiber things where you put this on before you put mascara on? Is that what that is? Maybe? Okay. That was the last thing that was in the Sephora bag. That one was really sad. That was a really sad bag. I am really excited about this and the Glam Glow mask, so I'm really excited to try these two out. But anyways, I do have to give this month to Ipsy because I loved everything in the Ipsy bag. Like the liquid lipstick. This is like my shade. Exfoliating cleanser, girl. An eyeliner and a palette. That is worth my $10. That is worth everything. But so far, Ipsy has been kicking Sephora's butt. Kicking their butt. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any of my other Ipsy versus Sephora boxes, I will put a playlist down below for you to go ahead and follow. If you do want to follow me on all my social medias, I will link that down below as well for you to go ahead and do that. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Just so you guys know, the next video that's gonna go up is this one. I've heard so many interesting things about this foundation, but I want to try it out myself. Also, I was really excited because I love Shape Tape, and I want to see what this is all about. I want to see if I actually do like this foundation and if it's a good foundation. I know there's a lot of stuff happening with this foundation and the launch of it, but I want to know if it's worth my money. Okay, that's it.